Hello, teacher. I am Judith Dalton Arguedas Quispe. Today, I'm going to talk about computers and the old computer from the past was very big. The old computer was very big and heavy. It had a monitor, a large keyboard, and separate CPU tower. It was also slower and noisier than modern computers. Um, the memory was smaller, and the hard drive had very little space. You can install 2 and 3 programs. In addition, all computers were more expensive, more expensive. Um, even though they cost too much less than today's computers, the screens had lower resolutions, it's pixelated, and the colors were not average. They were also made of heavier materials and use more electricity. And more electricity, more expensive cost to maintain. People mainly use them for typing documents or playing simple games. Is Tetris only. Past Windows 98 compared to today's device, they were much less practical. The modern computers um, are smaller, um, thinner, lighter. Um, the screen is much bigger and clearer. The colors are richer. The processor is faster and the memory is much larger. Can you use 10, 12 rush programs in the same time? Um, Modern computers are also more powerful and more efficient. They can run many programs at the same time, and they are more useful for work, study, communication, and entertainment. In addition, they are cheaper today than old computers, where when to first experience, they are also quicker and use less energy. And the modern computers are faster, lighter, and more powerful than old ones. All memory computers were heavy, um, slower, and more expensive. Modern computers are also more portable and more convenient. To design is simple and more elegant now for the colors, while all computers look at bulky and complicated. Finally, technology has made computers better in very way. They are now smaller, faster, cheaper, and more efficient. The evolution of computers shows how innovation can completely change our lives. Thank you, teacher. Thank you for listening.